Arlington's economical T-box is the cost-effective way to mount a fan or fixture securely on a suspended ceiling grid. What's neat is T-box can be mounted on the ceiling grid at the cross or on the straightaway, so you decide where you want the fan or fixture. Great for uniform placement of pendant lighting. 30.5 cubic inch steel T-box comes with a metal hanger for fans or fixtures up to 70 pounds and a wire grabber kit for support. Compared to our bracket-style suspended ceiling box, T-box saves money, about 50% over our FBRS 420 SC. Perfect for installing fans, fixtures, smoke and carbon monoxide detectors, security cameras, exit signs, or emergency lighting. Installation is quick and easy. Decide where to install the item on the ceiling grid, then position the grid cover at the cross or straightaway, tracing it onto the ceiling tiles for use as a cutting guide. You'll be cutting 4 tiles for use at the cross and 2 tiles for positioning on the straightaway. If using premium or reveal edge tiles, adjust the box height by simply removing the tabs from the box. Reinstall the tiles and install the MC cable. Then drop the box onto the suspended ceiling grid from overhead. Complete the installation by installing the wire grabber and attaching the drop wire to a structural member. Arlington's steel T-box, the secure, economical way to mount a fan, fixture, and other items up to 70 pounds on a suspended ceiling grid.